In today's episode, we are all about sharpening the look of your chart, aligning elements and setting custom axis ranges to make your data shine. Let's get started. ipyvizzu offers different options to align your chart elements and to set the range of values shown on the axis. At first, let's explore how a centered alignment works. By adjusting the align config parameter to center, the effect will depend on the orientation of the chart. For example, on a column chart like here, the elements will be vertically centered, whereas on a bar chart, horizontally. In the next step, we create a stretched alignment by setting the align parameter to stretch. This way, the elements will proportionally fill the entire plot area, effectively showing proportions in stacked charts. And this is why the scale will also switch from values to percentages when it's used. And let's move on to set the range of an axis. You can fine-tune the minimum and maximum values, choosing to set one or both, with specific values or relative ones by adding a percentage sign. In this example, I set the range of the y-axis in a way that the max value is 150% of the highest element, so here the overall popularity within the jazz genre. Plus, I set back the default alignment by setting it to none. And you can also set the range for an axis with a dimension on it, so like the x-axis in this example. By setting the range explicitly from -2 to 3, we have zoomed in to showcase only the first three genre elements on our chart. And I'm stopping for a quick tip here, because the ranges in ipyvizzu have certain defaults depending on the chart's configuration based on common data-viz guidelines, because we wanted to make it easy for you to create sleek charts. For example, in a Cartesian coordinate system, the range will be automatically set to the max 110% for an axis with a measure on it. While polar coordinates have different rules, but we will get to that in another episode. And if ever you want to reset your ranges, you simply need to set them to auto, like here. Thanks for watching. Next we will learn how to add or strip away extra layers to your data by changing dimensions on an axis or another channel.